Welcome to the session, children. A very good morning to everyone. I think you all had your breakfast and eagerly waiting for today's session. Am I right, children? I hope so. You're all eagerly waiting for today's session. Why you're all waiting eagerly for today's session? I think in the last class I said that we are going to start our next means second lesson in our next class. So you're all waiting for your second lesson. Am I right, children? Okay. Let us go to our next picture, and we are going to know about what it is. As per the present situation, you are aware of this picture. What is this picture, children? Yes, you are right. This is a COVID-19, a virus. It is spreading very fastly, and it is causing a great bad situation. Many of people are falling sick because of this virus. Virus means nothing, it is, children, it is a germ which is making us to fall sick. So once see the next picture, children. This is also same, that one only. This is also same. This is also COVID-19, the virus which we are facing. You know, you all know, I hope. Because of this virus only, because of this bad situation only, we are not able to attend our school. We are all getting bored, no, children? We all want to come to school, but because of this only we are not able to come to our school. So I hope that you're all watching TV, and in our home or our neighbors or everyone is saying that don't touch this, don't touch that, wash your hands frequently. You have to wash your hands frequently. So means what you are doing here, you are washing your hand means what it is, you are keeping your hands clean. Why we have to keep your hands clean? Yes, I hope you understood what we are going to learn today. Yes, you are too intelligent, you know that. So today's our lesson is our second lesson, keeping clean. Are you able to see the picture, children? See, like you, so many children are here. Everyone is doing something. So you can see here, keeping clean is the one heading, and by the topmost upper side what it is, healthy me. Healthy me. See at the top, children. Means to be healthy, we have to keep ourselves clean. We have to keep ourselves clean and tidy. Then only we will be healthy. We will not fall sick. If you are healthy, you are able to do all the things. If you are not feeling well, what you will do, children? silently you will be in the bed. You will sleep. You will not able to play. You will not able to come to school. You are not able to read and write. You are not able to do anything. So, to be healthy, we need to keep our body clean. See the next picture, children. Yes, you can observe these children. Yes, this is the same page which you are having in your textbook. You open your textbook, children. See the textbook, lesson number 2. You can see these pictures in your textbook. I am also doing the same thing. I am also seeing into my textbook. See, to be healthy, we need to follow some things. What are the things? What are the things we have to do? Let us know about it. See the first picture, children. What the boy is doing there? Yes, he is brushing his teeth. When we wake up early morning, the first thing what we will do, we go to washroom and we clean our mouth. Brushing our teeth means what we are doing here? We are cleaning our mouth. Why we have to clean? Because before night, means before we sleep, what we will do? We will have our dinner. When we will eat something, some particles, it will remain in our mouth. After taking our dinner, we go to bed. We will sleep for 8 to 9 hours. Our mouth will be closed. So, because of these food particles in our mouth, germs produce in it. Because of these germs, when we wake up in the early morning, our mouth will smell badly. Did you observe it, children? Once you observe, when you wake up, check your mouth. You will feel bad breath, bad smell. Why you are getting this bad smell? Because of these germs only. So, to keep our mouth clean, to remove the germs, what we have to do? We have to brush our teeth. You all know this. What you will do to clean your mouth? What you will use? You will use brush and toothpaste. You will take brush, you will apply toothpaste on it, and you will clean your teeth. This toothpaste and toothpaste and toothbrush, we'll clean our mouth. This paste help us to kill the germs. You know, children, we have to brush our teeth twice a day. We have to brush our teeth twice a day. One it is in the early morning and the other one before going to bed. As I said, after eating dinner, we'll go to bed. Before going to bed, if you brush your teeth, the food which is remains in your mouth will be cleaned. So, you will not get much germs and bad smell from your mouth. After cleaning your mouth, if you go to your bed, then the germs will not be there. Much more germs will not be there in your mouth. And it will not cause any problem to you. So children, daily brush your teeth twice a day. I hope from today onwards you will follow this. Follow this, children. We have to protect our teeth, because this teeth is only helping us to bite and chew our food. Okay children, we will continue our lesson in our next session. Until that, you go through your textbook, see the pictures, observe what they are doing. Of course, all these things you will also do. I know that everyone will do. But just once again we are reminding that all. Okay children, go through the textbook, observe the pictures and understand what they are doing and what we have to do. Okay children, we will meet in our next session. Up to that, you take care of your health. Okay, stay home, stay safe, be healthy. Okay children, thank you.